Welcome back. I hope you're doing great. As a part of this video, we will understand the substring with the hands-on example. In MySQL, I will go ahead and use a database named university. In order to experience the substring functions, I will go ahead and create one table. The name of the table is customers2. In this table, you can see I have ID, name, and city. These are the three things. Let me insert some data into this table. So I'm inserting some 4 records into the customers2 table. The way I'm doing it is insert into customers. I'm providing the name of the columns and say values and providing the values for each of the record. Let me go ahead and insert this. The data looks like this. Then what does the substring do? We already understood that. Substring is a part of a string, right? Let us look at some of the examples which can be taken on the terminal itself. In this case, what I want to do is I want to get a part of the string of Vikas Ballari. The substring should start from third letter. In this case, first, second, and third. K is the third letter. So our substring will include Kas Ballari. If I go and execute this, I will get this. Then we can also provide other arguments to this particular string function. What are the arguments? We can provide 3 arguments to substring function. What are they? First thing is you can provide the string itself. That can be column name as well. This argument is a position from which you want to extract the substring. Third one tells us what should be the length of the substring. In this case, we are saying Vikas Ballari is the string and we want to extract the substring from the third place and we want the substring length to be 5 letters. That means KAS, then space. Remember, space is also considered. So KS space B will get KSB as the substring. So ideally, whenever you are using a substring, you are required to provide 3 arguments. The string or the name of the column, starting position of the substring, and length of the substring. Okay, I hope you guys got it. As I indicated as a part of the conceptual class, substring, substr, made, all of them are functions which does the same job. Let us experience that. What I will do here is I will execute all of them together so that you will get a hang of all of them. Substring, substr, and made does the same job. You can see I have executed all of them together. They have given a same result provided the inputs are same. So whenever you are trying to work with the strings, remember substring, substr, and mid does the same job. One of the very important aspect what we have to learn is whenever we are passing on the arguments to the substring function, I said the second number is nothing but the position from which you want to extract the string. So in all our previous examples, we ended up giving the positive numbers. But can we give the negative numbers? Yes, we can. But what does the positive number indicate? What does the negative number indicate? Let us discuss that now. In this example, you see, I am saying Vikas Ballari 3, 5. Whenever you are giving a positive number for a position of the string, the number will be calculated from left to right, from the starting of the string towards the end of the string. But see, in this case, VIK, K is the third position of a string. But whenever you provide a negative number to indicate the position, then the counting will happen from right to left, from end of the string towards the start of the string. In this case, I am saying -7. So -7 means it will start counting from Y first, R second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, and seventh. So I want to extract from this particular position. And how many characters I want? I want 2. So we'll get a result as BA. I hope it is clear now. A positive number in a position will start counting the position from left to right from starting of the string. The negative number will start counting the position from right to left from end of the string towards the start of the string. I hope it is clear. We used the substring functions by providing the strings as a part of the terminal itself. Can we use the substring functions in a columns of a table? Yes, we can. Let's go ahead and use that now. We have a table called customers. So let me bring up that table. So this is our table. If I want to extract the substring from the name column, I can do that. How do I do that? So you can pass on the column of the name as one of the argument to the substring function. Here you can see name is name of the column. I'm passing on that as an argument to the function. So what it means is I want to extract all the values in the name column which are starting from the second position. It will give me Aju, Iliam, Ahil, Inai. Okay, let us go and execute that. So this is my original column. This is my substring where I'm extracting from the values of a original column. That's from the second position. We can also do that with the position and length. So what I did now is with only the position. Can I do it with the length? Yes, I can do that. Here, if you see, I am saying I want to extract the substring from the name column. The position it start from is the second position, and I want the length to be 3 characters. If you see, this is the original column. This is the substring we extracted from a original column. Since we are saying second is this, and I want 3 characters only. So it is saying Aju, and I'll say Il. This is the second character, and since I'm saying 3 characters, it has extracted Il from William. So same thing has happened with Sahil and Vinay. We can also use the negative number at the place of position argument. So here I am saying -3. What it means, I want the counting to happen from right to left. So I am saying -3 means this is the first, J is the second, A is the third. So it should start from here. And I want only 2 characters. That means only AJ will be extracted from this particular string. So when I execute this, this is how it works. This is the original column. This is a substring column. So what is happening here is -3 is 1, 2, 3. This is the -3. And I want 2 characters. It is extracting AJ, IA, hi, NA. We can also do some extracting and deleting by using a combination of substring and length function. Here what I want to do is I want to remove the first 3 letters of a name of the city. So before I execute this, if I say select star from, this is my city. What I want to remove the first 3 letters of the city, I can do that. This is how I'm trying to accomplish that. So if you see, the way I have constructed is I want a substring. What is the name of the column? In the city, and I want to start it from the 4th letter of each of them. And what should be the length? It should be the length of the city. So here, obviously length of the city, it will calculate the length of this particular string, and that will be the number of characters you want that as a part of the result. After executing this, you'll see it has extracted galore, high, ni, high, like that. If I want to remove the last 3 letters of a city, you can approach it in different way. One of the approach is this, where I am saying city and the starting of the substring is first letter itself. So B is chosen here. Length should be length -3. It will calculate the length of this. In this case, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and -3. So because I don't want the last 3 letters of this particular string. So it will give me a value by removing the last 3 letters of a city. This is how we can accomplish. We can use this in a multiple ways. We can also use the substring to update. So let us look at the data before I update. Select star from customers. So in this case, I want to update the name column of this table with the only 2 letters of this name. For example, I want Raju Ra, William Y, Sahil SA. If I want to do that, I'll say update customers. This is the name of the table, and I'm saying set name of the column is equal to substring. Again, I'm passing an argument as a name because this is the column I'm working on. I want that substring to be starting from first letter R, W, S, V, and I want only 2 letters from this string. So it will extract only RA and update this table. It is updated. If you go and check the table now, all these names would have been updated with only 2 letters as per this substring. Awesome. We understood few aspects of the substring. Please do practice. Thank you.